In this video, we explore why smart professionals choose to verify information before they take action, helping you improve your professional decision-making.
Speed isn't always the best approach. The quote, urgency bias often pressures us to move quickly, causing us to skip fact-checking. Remember, a quick mistake takes much longer to fix than a thoughtful decision takes to execute. To combat this, use the triple-check framework. First, verify that your data is accurate. Second, confirm your underlying assumptions. Finally, gather any essential information that may still be missing. Many projects fail because foundational assumptions are flawed. Always ask yourself, what would have to be true for this decision to be the right one? If that premise is shaky, your entire plan is at risk. Pausing to verify is a productive habit. It signals maturity, builds your reputation as a reliable professional, and saves organizational resources by preventing failed projects. Strengthen your effectiveness through our professional development courses. Learn the diagnostic tools to deconstruct problems and build the confidence to pause, verify, and deliver results. Master your performance with ForElite. Remember, don't just be the fastest, be the most accurate. Contact us today to join the elite.